Welcome back. If you saw the previous video, I got Gemini to give me the beginnings of a night predator, and now it's been moved into the countryside project. And if you haven't, then this game, if it becomes a game, has been done in browser Canvas 2D and not WebGL or 3.js, and so the graphics are what they are. This is my admin panel, and I can run the regular game for the player or my admin version. So let's run the player and see. So we're going to enter. There's no real sound. Wow, it is, man, when I record, it's not that bad when I'm not recording. It really isn't. I guess I'm just not going to move. Wow, that's crazy. That wasn't even worth recording. It wasn't smooth. Now, I also have a VM running and I've got Cloud Code doing something, so maybe that's why it was worse. Ugh. All right, I shut down what I could shut down. Let's try this again. Jeez. All right, let's see. So if gosh, it's bad. Let's see how the predator goes. If I move, is it gonna growl? Okay. Okay, that was a little better, but I guess I can't record. All right. It's also, it's client server, so I'm running a server here to render the page, so the browser can point to this and to the client. And then I'm running this server and then I'm recording. So, oh well.